It's so hot! Oh my gosh, why is it so hot? Good morning. So I'm on the way to go pick up a rental car, a rental SUV, and go down to Sunrise and pick up my brand new makeup vanity table. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I always wanted a table like this. It's the one that has two drawers on each side and like the storage and stuff. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna put the mirror. It doesn't come with the mirror because someone else's I found it on Let Go and they're selling it for a decent price. So I'm like, I might as well get it now because in the store it's much more money and I'll have to wait a little bit longer. So I am so excited to go get it.
COVID-19. We're in a pandemic, y'all.
I'm surprised they didn't cut off. I have no memory.
What are you recording me for?
I don't know.
Spontaneous jet. For the stance or something.
TNT is what it's saying.
Data. Woo! Watch that get her, y'all. Watch this.
Stop playing with me. I'm trying.
Oh, the camera ain't moving now. The camera gonna see me get you.
Yeah, look at you. Make it go! Dang! Man, turn it extra slow. Did I pass Summit yet? Okay, it's right after.
Broke glasses, Jen. Look.
Look, I found my other one.
I don't wear glasses enough.
It broke in the car. And
You just need a screw?
Yeah, so you. Great.
This nigga here, bro. This could have been fixed.
Well, okay, fix that while that.
Just need a freaking screw. You gonna use that one?
Fix it.
You need to take that with you.
What?
Use glasses.
It was just in my purse.
Okay, well, you need to take it with you.
Don't play with me. It's Alexis. For now. This is the right. I'm mad I couldn't put it in my car, but it's okay.
You wanna let this down now?
Yes.
That's good. I already marked it.
It's good that you marked that because you know we put something in there.
Yeah, exactly. It's full of gas. You just bring it back same way.
Hello, can I have a 4-piece of French toast sticks?
3-piece?
Yeah, 3-piece.
Okay.
Let me get 2 of the 3 pieces.
Okay.
And can I get a medium orange juice? And then a side of what's it called? A side of sausage.
Okay.
That'll be all.
Okay, so I get a and the side of sausage, anything else?
So I made it. I'm going to pick it up now. Just waiting for them to come out.
You could just move it to how big or how small you want it.
Right.
Like, so for me, like I said, I had it just all the way. I had it lined up like that.
Oh, this is perfect. Okay, great. Thank you.
And it gives you more than enough room to get in the chair or anything.
Yeah. Did you ever put a mirror on top or?
I had my mirror on it. My mirror's over in the corner.
There it is. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I've always wanted one of these and it's black too. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So time to take it home and clean it up and put my makeup in it. I am so excited. This is awesome. The makeup vanity looks like. I'm not gonna keep it in this area, but I am gonna wipe it down over here. Okay, so now it's time to organize this part, but now that I'm looking inside the drawers, I see that it's white and just like too clean. So what I'm thinking about doing, I'm gonna go to the dollar store and see if I could find either some you know, like the linings that you put in drawers, like in the kitchen and stuff. I'm gonna see if I can find some linings to put in these, just so that it's not, the makeup isn't going directly on it. And I also want to find a little bit of like clear organizers, just so, you know, I can keep it clean and organized. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna go to the dollar store. First, I'm going to show you guys the different things that I got from the Dollar Tree. Because at first I couldn't find anything, and then last minute I found so many things. Here's what it is. I got these clear containers. I'm thinking about putting like the lipsticks and stuff, because, you know, square and the height is pretty good. I got 2 of those. I got these gray ones, and if these don't work out, then I'm going to use it for something else, but it should be fine for holding things like powders and stuff like that. That's what I'm thinking about, putting the powders in here. Like I showed you guys earlier, I got the little cleaner. And at the last minute, literally when I was about to check out, something told me to go back and check in the kitchen section, because the whole time I was looking for things in like bathroom and other basket stuff. So I went by the kitchen section and I found these, and I think these are going to be like so great in it. First of all, they're black, and then inside they have a lining thing already, so that it's gonna prevent things from slipping. Like, the amount of space I'm going to have after I organize things is going to be insane. I'm so excited. So I also am thinking that I'm gonna use the first top 2 drawers. I'm thinking about using these first top 2 ones for jewelry only, and then everything else makeup, because I need somewhere to put like my rings and my necklaces and stuff without them messing up. So I'm gonna leave the first 2 ones empty completely, and then we're gonna start organizing here. And last things I bought is I bought 2 napkin holders, because I'm thinking I can put the palette, like my eyeshadow palettes in there, and it'll just like sit in there nicely. So first I'm going to set up everything on the actual table part, and then we're going to figure out where they're going to be placed in the drawers. Alright, so I pretty much have almost everything in its container. It will change around, I'm sure, but this is just for now, just so I can get moving. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start inserting them into the drawers based off of my need or my use of them. So if it's something I'm going to use all the time, I'm going to put it towards the top. And if it's something that obviously is like not an everyday kind of thing, it's going down below or whatever. So of course at the top I want my skincare. So this is where I have this is where I have all of my face things, my oils, moisturizers and stuff like that. This is a primer, I'm sure, right? So these are all my face mists, like face finishing sprays and stuff. Those are gonna go in there as well. On the other side I think I'm gonna do all of my concealers. So the concealers are gonna go in this one right here. And then my brush cleaners. All of these things are like brush cleaners and sprays and stuff. So those are gonna go right next to the concealers. All right, next two drawers, I'm going to do foundation, which is this one here. All the foundations will go here. So the foundation drawer is much deeper, so they can actually stand up. On the other side, I'm gonna do my lip pencils. Do all of my lip pencil. My eyeliners and stuff, they're gonna go next to the foundation. So we have foundations and BB creams, whatever, and these are all of my eyeliner. So all of my loose powders, banana powders, translucent powders, they're gonna go here. Okay, so I'm gonna put my blush palette and my highlight palettes together. Blush, highlight, contour can go together. And then my makeup palettes. And I have two mirrors, which I'm not gonna bother with just yet. And this extra one, I'm gonna put like all my extra makeup that I'm gonna be using for giveaways, because I have quite a few things that I want to give away. So I'm gonna leave that space specifically. Oh, there's two drawers, perfect. So like I have like earrings like this that are not like, they're not expensive or real diamonds, but they're also like very cute. So I want to like preserve them, and most of the time they just end up in one of my drawers, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna put them in these little containers for now until I get a real jewelry box. But I don't mind the black containers. I can see exactly what's in it. So I'm gonna put them in these and then put them at the top. And on the other side, on this one, I'll put my lashes. Put all of my body sprays and stuff in that one. All of the actual makeup that is mine is officially put away. Now I'm gonna work on the bottom drawer, which is where I'm just gonna store anything that I'm going to be giving away when I do giveaways, extra brushes and things like that. Or Tuesday morning, because Tuesday morning the store is closing. I got this thing, it's a brush holder. Obviously all my brushes can't fit in here, but I thought it'd be cute just to have on the actual top. It's here. Okay, no instructions, so that must mean it's so easy.
Times on the beat.
Oh yeah. It's so cute. All right, let's turn it on. Oh my gosh, so cute. So it has 3 light settings. This is this setting is warm, light, daylight. And the brightness. That's dimming it. This is so cute! Alright, so that is the end of this vlog for my makeup vanity. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, again, I will be happy to answer them in the comment section, but check the description box. If you want to know where the mirror is from, check the description box. I'll have the direct link where I got it from all Amazon. Again, the table, I bought it off of Let Go, but it is originally from IKEA. And also this little extra mirror I have right here is also from Amazon, and I love this mirror, and it also lights up. So, all right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.